asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Hello guys, this is Cherry and welcome to my channel. So today is 8th February. I'm gonna teach you people how to do a burnout like a pro, like a professional. If you are a beginner, I'm gonna teach you people that.
Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
So before getting into that, our family, our Cherry Vlogs family gonna reach 7k subscribers, and we have to reach the next milestone 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So share the videos. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Cherry Vlogs family and click the subscribe button. So let's get into this. So the first thing is helmet and a proper riding jacket which will protect you. So the first thing you always should know is your body position. You should be leaning like this, and you have to push, and you have to place your legs properly, your leg position. For the beginners, you need to keep your legs like this, and you need to attach your butt in the petrol tank, and you need to give full force in your leg. And the second thing is holding the handlebar. You need to give the full pressure in the handlebar, and you have to push as much as you can. And see, the leg should not go like this and all. It should be very steady and comfortable. And the third thing, the braking. You need to hold the brake, front brake, as much as you can. It's possible. And you have to go to the first gear. See how am I doing? Watch it closely. So you always should wear helmets, and you should not do this on the public roads like highways, those kind of places. You should not do. You should do it in some private places. It should be very safe. You have to do in those kind of places only. If you wanna do show off in front of girls in college and all, na, it's college. You can search for a good place. Safety is first. I have been doing this from 2014. I went for practicing, I went for training with a professional stunt riders group, and I have left in 2015. Now I know basic things in stunts. So this is how you should do a burnout, proper burnout actually for the beginner. The first thing is body positioning, and the second thing is body grip, and the third thing is the pressure you are applying in the handlebar and the grip you are getting in your legs. So these are the important things. And the roads must be like, it should not be like this. I hope you people saw now, it should not be like this. If it is a good road, then the burnout will come amazing. You can do more better than this if you are practicing. And wear helmet while you are practicing. Without helmet, don't do burnouts also, because it's not an easy thing. It's also a risky thing to do, because your bike can throw you away from it. Anything can happen. Subscribe and join in Cherry Vlogs family. So I hope you people like this video. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below whatever you think about this. And I want to show you this place. This is an empty place. I am wearing jacket, I am wearing helmet, I have riding gears, so it is safety for me. And make sure that when you're gonna do, you also need the same safety gears like jacket with all those things. And importantly, helmet. Wear helmet, always wear helmet. Bye. See you people in the next video. Bye. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe. Bye. I forgot to end this vlog in my style, so as usual, just eat, sleep, and try to repeat that again, guys. See you people in the next video. Till that, signing off. Your Cherry. Bye bye.